Well, hello and welcome to the Week 2 lecture. In Week 2, we're going to look at what technical communication is. So, for most of you, said, well, I've had English classes, I know how to write. Yeah, you do know how to write in first-year writing program or academic writing, but in technical writing or sometimes real world or career writing, it's a difference because you're not writing to entertain anybody. You're not writing to hook them into what you're talking about. They're reading what you write because they're looking for information. You already have a hook for them. They're reading it because they want to know something. This is a very powerful quote from Tabu and Draga. And Sam Draga was one of my professors at Texas Tech. It says, on the job, remember, no one wants to read anything you write. They're not looking to get entertained, folks. They will not read everything you write. They will read because they need to. They want to. They want to gather information. So this is what technical writing is. It's a way you're getting information across to people, whether it's a proposal, clear and concise. You want to give me money? This is what I want to do for the money. This is what I'm going to do for the money. This is how much money I need. A manual, put slot A into slot B. There you go. This is what technical communication is. Clear, concise writing to get somebody to do something that you want them to do. And again, you're not using fine rhetoric. You're not a lawyer. It's not a lawyer. You're not writing pretty pictures or giving flowing details. You're just telling the folks what they want to know, and you're retelling the folks what you want them to know. Okay, here's kind of what I would want you to imagine when you write. You have to think of this person. They may have some idea of what you're talking about, but they don't live in your head. They can't pull your head back, look in and say, oh yeah, I see what they're talking about. Writtenly, through words, you have to tell them what you're talking about. Again, clearly and concisely. So that's what we're going to do for this week. We're going to clear and concise, learn about, and you're going to write about what technical communication is. Okay? Well, the instructions for how to do a post are here. I think you've written them already. The discussion method, this is what you're going to do. How you're going to write your responses. When we're asking for a discussion response or a reading response, this is what you're going to do. And this is what you're going to do when you respond to a classmate. All right? So what are we reading this week? Well, for this week, we're going to read the introduction and howdy or hello. And this is our textbook. It's right here. It's an OER, open access source. This doesn't mean it's broken. You just click here and it opens. Okay? You can, well, no, this one I don't think you can download it. You want to read a book. Okay, you hit here. Here's the contents. Introduction is what we're reading. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 readings in here. So you're going to read these. And you're going to compose a discussion post on them. And I suggest you write this and you use either the Word, the editor function in Word, or I'm going to be sending out your emails to, there's a study going on using Grammarly, and you may be able to download Grammarly and use it in your work. Okay? But check your work, and then you're going to copy and you're going to paste it into the reply function. All right? You're going to copy it there. Let me go to student mode. Let me view this as a student. Okay? And you're going to hit reply. And you're going to copy and you're going to paste your reflection. Your reflection here, covering all these readings. You're just going to do one reflection. And then you're going to go in and you're going to find somebody's discussion and you're going to reply to it, the reflection. You're going to reply to the reflection, and you're going to talk about Well, how does it meet the requirements of technical writing that you've perhaps written about? Do they bring up anything new that you haven't thought about? Do you want to tell them something that you thought about and maybe they haven't? So that's what week 2 is, just a brief overview of technical communication. Remember, there is the extra credit opportunity. Extra credit. And in that one in here, well, we don't talk about it there, but you can post extra credit. It's not open yet. It's the time I'm doing this, but there's extra credit opportunities available. You just post something for the extra credit, whether it's a question about the assignments, is it something that's going on campus? So that is where we're at right now. I am going to end this video. And again, if you have questions, just send me an email. Bye.